Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Road King, and this one is in billet silver and chrome. And the chrome on here is absolutely beautiful. We have dual disc brakes up in the front. We have ABS front and rear. 103 cubic inch engine. We've got engine guards front and rear as well. We have the quick release setup all ready for a passenger backrest. The exhaust is Vance and Hines. Really comfortable seat. Floorboards for the passenger and the rider, and we also have that heel toe shifter. Really nice Harley grips. And the miles are 14,000 even. Again, this is a 2016 Road King. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.